Hey guys, Chris Perrette here from Social Hustle. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing how to set up a negative keyword list. All right, jumping right into the video, guys. So right here, the first place you're going to want to be is logged into your account. Now, from here, you want to click the Tools button and then come over to the negative keyword list. From this section, you can create a new negative keyword list. And let's call this one our master list. And let's say that because we're selling jet ski covers, we want to remove anything that's related to RC, or we're worried that people are searching for RC jet skis and maybe our ads are showing up. Now, when you do negative keywords, one of the keys that you have to remember is that you can potentially block really good traffic. If you put broad keywords into your negative list, you'll block them the same way that you would when you're bidding on a broad keyword. I only add negative keywords in either phrase match or in broad modified. That's because I want to make sure that I'm blocking a phrase of a word and not any variation of it that would come with broad. Now, let's say that we save the word RC here. Now, once you've created this negative keyword list, something really important you can't forget, it still needs to be applied to a campaign. So you're going to click this guy, you're going to hit apply to campaigns, and then you can actually go and you can apply it there to that campaign. Now, what's really cool with these lists is that once you've made the list here, if you're inside of your campaign over here and you're looking at your keywords and say that there is a search term here that you really don't like, and again, we don't have any search terms in here to show you right now, but if there is one, you can actually click that search term, hit add as a negative keyword, and you can actually start building it to that master list. So you can add them while you're doing your keyword scrubbing right to the negative keyword list. Final piece to always remember, guys, is that when you have a master list, make sure you only apply that list to the campaigns that it makes sense. Typically, I have a master list and then I have product-specific lists. So if I have multiple services, say, that I'm offering or I'm trying to recruit for, I'll have a specific negative keyword list for each service and then a top-level master list. A lot of stuff that I like to block and use in our negative keyword list would be, free or review or online course or, downloadable. I look for keywords where people are looking to either do it themselves, they want the free version, they want to find a how-to guide. Really indicates that they're not looking to spend money, hire my client, buy my client's product. Down in the description below, I'll actually link a master list of negative keywords that I use in almost every account. Now, I always warn people, don't just use my list. Please read the list and decide what keywords are going to work for you. That's going to be super important so that you don't accidentally use my list and block keywords that would get you sales. Again, guys, I'm Chris Perrette with Social Hustle. We manage just over $500,000 in ad spend every month. I'm here trying to bring you the most informative and helpful videos that I can. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them down below. And as always, hit the subscribe button. Thanks, guys.